And now add the chopped tomato. Stir it for some time. And if you're using the rock salt, add it now so that it can melt. But if you're using the normal salt, it's okay to add at the end. Okay, and now add the soya chunks. Yeah, as I have shown at the beginning, it should be the soaked one. Okay, and then we add the vegetables what we have. So I have the beans, so 2 varieties of beans which are chopped. I'm adding here. If you have carrots, you can also add. Okay, stir it for 20 seconds. I mean, fry it like this as I'm showing here. So now it's time to add the other ingredients. So first add turmeric powder, followed by the chili powder, and then the garam masala powder. So take the cooker from the gas and then add the water. So yeah, so that everything will be mixed fine. And then now it's time to add the rice, the soaked rice. As you have seen at the beginning in the ingredient section, if you are taking 100 grams of rice, you have to add 200 grams of water, like twice of the rice you have taken. Okay. Okay, once you have added the rice, again stir it well. Okay, so that the ingredients are fine, and then close the lid and cook over medium flame for 2 whistles. Once done, let it cool at room temperature until pressure inside cooker comes down naturally. Open the lid carefully and fluff the rice with a fork.